a new deck I made called the Machine Gun. So the X-Bow shoots really fast. The Rage Spell makes things attack faster. So, like 0.3. How much are balloons? And these are like 3 seconds. So there's a huge difference between that and some other troops. Gonna donate to him. So in the training camp, I'll be showing you how to make a machine gun. Okay, perfect. It costs 9 elixir. That's the one bad thing. It's pretty costly with 9 elixir. Perfect. Okay, so only Wi-Fi connection. What? No. I'm just gonna let it go. Seriously? What? No. Well, guys, I can't do it if he's just gonna put down a giant right next to it. It's not really that fair. Okay. Okay, now I need to wait until I have 9 elixir. 4, 5. Dang it, 6. Oh, here. Oh my god! Why does it... Oh no, I missed my rage spell. I'm sorry, guys. This guy's so annoying. Every time I put down my X-Bow, he literally demolishes it. Oh. Exit, and now we're going to be trying again. Okay, so we get the X-Bow. Then the lightning spell. Okay. Okay, now I need to just wait until I have 9 elixir. So... Please don't put down a giant like you did before. Okay. What the heck? So annoying. Why does he have to get rid of it? Okay, now rage it up, rage it up. Now look how fast it shoots. You literally can't see. It's going so fast. Which is great because... Okay, now it slows down. But there you guys have it. The machine gun. New combination I came up with. Now it can help you out a lot because you can use it in like decks. I think it should be called the machine gun deck. Like, I don't know, a machine gun deck where you can like, you put down the machine gun with some with like a skeleton army or minion horde. I think something like that would be cool. yeah. Well, see you guys later. Bye.